Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Mr. Gupta Ibrahim is here with your social studies chapter, agriculture and livestock factors affecting the agriculture. These were the main topics which we will cover in today's class. Summary of the previous lecture was agriculture refers to farming and raising animals to obtain food, and settlements, civilizations started because of agriculture. Factors affecting agriculture: suitable climate, flat land, and fertile soil, adequate water supply, pest and pesticides. These were the topics which we have done in previous class. Soil management. Soil is the top layer of the earth in which plants grow. Soil management is the practices and treatments to protect soil and enhance its performance. So, farmers, what the farmers do in the first stage, they manage the soil. They make the soil suitable for the crops, for the growth of crops, for growing the crops, for sowing the seeds. So soil, this is the regular practice of the farmers to manage the soil, to protect the soil, to enhance its performance, to increase its fertility. Soil management, as seen in the picture, all the soils are managed for growing the crops. Waterlogging. Waterlogging occurs when there is too much water in a plant's root zone, which decreases the oxygen available to roots. Causes of waterlogging: heavy rainfall and floods. During the heavy rainfalls, what happens? The water is stored in the roots of the plants. So it stops the supply of oxygen to the roots of the plants. So that's why it is known as water logging, or it occurs during the heavy rainfall and when the floods come. Look at here, stagnant water can be seen in the picture. All the water is here staying, and all this water which stops the supply of water to the roots of the plants. Salinity. In very hot places, evaporation rate is very high. And when the water in the soil evaporates, it leaves behind traces of salt, which pile up over time. This makes the soil salty. So during the evaporation, when the sun rays fall on the water bodies, the water evaporates rapidly and leaves behind the traces of salt, which piles up over the time and makes the soil very salty, which is not suitable for growing the crops. So this condition is known as salinity. Look at here, you can see the white color. This is the salinity. White color shows the salinity. All the water is evaporated and all traces of salt are left behind, and after a time it is dried up and salt is collected over the surface of soil. Natural disasters. Every year, natural disasters such as hurricanes, floods, fires, earthquakes, and tornadoes challenge agriculture production. Because agriculture relies on the weather, climate, and water availability to thrive, it is easily impacted by natural events and disasters. So these are the main challenges which are faced by the agriculture or the farmers, which are natural disasters. And because of these natural disasters, the climate, the weather changes, and all the favorable conditions which are required for the growing crops are damaged. So these are the main challenges faced by the agriculture. Natural disaster affects the agriculture. Look at here, all the crops are destroyed due to the floods. Pakistan's most common natural disaster. Flood is the most common natural disaster in Pakistan. As we know, okay, our rural areas are the 70% agriculture takes place in our rural areas and villages where the floods regularly yearly comes and destroy the agriculture or the crops. You can see in the picture, this is the main natural disaster of Pakistan, which comes every year in Punjab and Sindh and destroys all the crops. Locust attack in Pakistan. When the locust started attacking crops and thereby destroyed the entire agriculture economy, it is referred to as locust plague, locust invasion, including Pakistan, India, Iran, and Nepal. Many other countries faced this problem in 2019. Somalia, Kenya, Democratic Republic of Congo, uh, Djibouti, Eritrea, Ethiopia, South Sudan, Uganda, or Yemen. These are the main countries which are affected by attack. And Pakistan is severely attacked this year by the locust. You can also watch in the television. The government is trying to overcome this problem this year, but still it is not under controlled, and the locusts have severely destroyed the agriculture of Pakistan this year, which also affects the economy of Pakistan because the main foreign exchange we get from the agriculture by exporting the products made from agriculture to other countries. So economy is badly affected by the locust effect in Pakistan. Look at this, all the locusts are attacking the growing crops, and farmers are trying to remove them by making the sounds. Now after the factors affecting the agriculture, you have to do the talks here, discuss the importance of replacement of nutrients in the soil before planting new crops, or every year. All you have to do this, before doing this, read the topic in your textbook and do this assignment carefully. So that's all for today's class. We will meet in next class inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.